First impression matters. You must have heard this before. If you get a foul smell from a person, would you like to stand with that person and speak to that person? Obviously, no. And that's why it's so important to have a first impression, the best impression. Well, it depends upon the medium through which you are communicating your copywriting. For example, if you're communicating through print ads, the first few lines of your ad will make the first impression. If you talk about a website, the entire first impression of the website when the web page is open will determine how the project is being looked. And that is why having a great first impression matters to such a great extent. And that is why there has been a lot of focus on creating an attention grabbing headline, because this will make sure that your client is attached and is not going far away from not listening to you. And that is why it's such an important part of making the first impression matter. So whenever you are writing, make sure that the first impression is the best impression.